Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case your camera app has disappeared from your iPhone and you're wondering what's going on, and more than anything, you just want to get it back. It's pretty simple to do. There could be a couple reasons that it's disappeared. One of them could be that it somehow just got pulled off the home screen, and we just need to add it back. So all we need to do that is just to scroll all the way to the right, go up here and search in our app library, and we can just type in camera. And then once it pops up, then we can just press it and hold it, and then we can just drag it and put it wherever we want it on the home screen. That should take care of it. If that doesn't take care of it, the next thing you can do is you can just go to your settings, and it could be that you have your screen time, and then if you go to apps allowed, it might be actually disabled because you're in downtime and you just need to add it to an allowed app. But it's probably just that for some reason it got deleted off your home screen and you just need to add it back. It's really as simple as that. Thanks for watching.